Good morning, class. So, are you ready for your activity today? Of course, you are. Before to start our activity, can you please read our objectives in the board? At the end of the lesson, the students will be able to distinguish the different types of adverbs of intensity and degree, show the value of using adverb of intensity and degree in the activity, and create a story about your childhood life with the use of adverb of intensity and degree using the computer. Okay, thank you for that, students. Today we are going to discuss about adverb of intensity and degree. Do you have any idea about these two kinds of adverb, class? Yes, Jane. Okay, thank you for that, Jane. That's right. The adverb of degree, it tells the strength or intensity of something happens. Mainly, it answers the questions that ask how much or how little, and it modifies verbs that tells intensity, attentiveness, or even depth of particular actions. Example of these words are barely, nearly, really, almost, enough, much, fully, and etc. Example: the man drove gravely is equal the man drove really gravely, and in this sentence really shows us just how he gravely drove. Another is they enjoyed the film. They enjoyed the film incalculably. So in this sentence, incalculably shows us how much they enjoyed the film. Okay? Well, the adverb of intensity, it modifies adjectives or other adverb and normally go before the adjective of adverb which they modify. So these are the example words such as extremely, completely, totally, absolutely, rather, pretty, quite, slightly, a bit, and not at all, and etc. Examples: compare fairly, quite, rather, pretty, and very. It was quite an interesting film, or it was a pretty interesting film. So we use quiet and but fairly and pretty after. And it was rather an interesting film, and it was rather interesting film. We can use rather before or after a or an. So in general, quiet is a little stronger than fairly, rather is stronger than quiet, and pretty is similar to rather but more informal. So the quiet and rather can be also modified verbs. They go before a full verb but after an auxiliary verb. Examples: she quite enjoyed the film, or I rather like drive at night, or he's quite enjoying himself. Only rather can be used in comparatives. Examples: rather colder, rather more expensive. So now do you understand it? Okay, I will let you go in the computer laboratory to do your activity today, and please observe silence. For the mechanics of your activity, number one, you need to type your story about your childhood life. They are using the different types of words of adverb of intensity and degree, and you need to save it with your full name. When I say full name, of course it includes your given name, middle name, and of course your last name, because later on I will check it. Okay? Okay, time's up. Thank you so much for today, class. See you tomorrow. Goodbye.